Hello everybody, hope everyone out there is having a great day. Today I traded a lot of Roku. Roku had good earnings, good something reported yesterday because they went from here, bam, up to here. And that's a lot. So let's see what happened at the market open. Right at the open, it shoots up and holds VWAP here, continues going up. I thought this would be a good entry, and it may continue to go up to who knows where, 126, 130, who knows. So I got in right here, VWAP around this area. If it broke below VWAP, that'd be my stop. Popped up, I took some, and I saw it was struggling around here. So I took a little more, and boom, it started coming down, so I just got out. I could have held a little longer, but I'm glad that I got out there. So as the minutes roll on, see Roku comes down here, seems to find a bottom right here, comes back up. I go long, anticipating a quick break up here beyond the VWAP. See over here on the 5-minute chart, I like this candle, I like this one, so I went long here, anticipating it would just shoot through, but it didn't seem to at the speed I wanted to. But if had I been a little more patient, it did. So then I got long right here, seemed to have VWAP as support, but got some, got out some, got out some, got out the rest here because it didn't seem to be going my way. I know I overtraded today. Andrew was telling me that in the room. He's like, well, a bit of overtrading, but I'm just going through each and every one of my trades. Most I'm happy with. There's one I'm not so happy with, but I'll explain it. So what happens next? Next, right here at this moment, I was like, I should go short here. Boom, had a nice drop. And I was like, yeah, I should have gone short. I'm very glad, though, that I didn't chase down here, because see what happens? Boom, it just goes back up. And right here, it seemed to be holding the VWAP. I went long. However, right here is where I'm not too proud of. I guess I should have added here, if anything, but it just seemed like this I should have waited on. I should have waited for the retest. I should have went long here instead of up here. So anyway, I sold some, sold more. Here's where I should have held as well, because I thought, okay, it's just going down again, but I was wrong. Clearly I was wrong. See right here, it finishes below the VWAP, but it holds. So I go long again. I get out some, I get out some, I get out some more, because I'm like, Roku's just going up and down a lot today. Now if you look over here, it ends up going, it goes back up to, let's see, yeah. So it goes back up here around 123. But if you look here, this was interesting. After I got out, I was like, oh, this is going to take off, this is going to take off, which it did. But right here, boom, that was a little scare. And right here, after this little doji, it's like, bam, I was like, oh man, that's horrible, that's tough. But then, it's back at it. So that was interesting. I didn't trade anymore on this today, but let's say I held here, I would have probably got stopped out. I mean, I probably would have just got out somewhere here anyway, or definitely here. I'm like, oh, it's over, which I would have been totally wrong. So still work in progress, still working on my patience, and but yeah, overall I'm happy with today. And thank you all for listening. Hope you all are having a great day as well. And yeah, have a good one. Bye bye.